yeah, yeah, man, yeah, Updated my flow, they say I'm killing them out there. If you ain't feeling my flow, then you ain't really out there. Something new for you, yo, the rage in your ear. 93 million miles away, call me Buzz Lightyear. I start to shine right away, I start to heat the atmosphere. It's just what I radiate, I'm just being sincere. Since y'all upgrading y'all hate, I'm taking love up out of here. Changing the principles of thugs, hard liquor, no beer. It's hard when the niggas gotta get up in their ear. Go hard for all these other motherfuckers to hear. But since they brought all these other motherfuckers here, I'm going to give it to them clear. Just lend me your ear. Scars come from pain. This game is hard to cry tears, so we get them stitched under our eyes for us to wear. If this is my life, a suicide or dare, I can take a wife, move to the right, and get up out of here. All in the night, no Santa Claus or reindeer. No Jesus on the cross, no evil people to fear. A slave or a boss, there's prints on the sand there, and there's more than one, because every two has a pair. They probably could make a son for everyone to fear. A very beautiful one, but with the courage of a bear. That's right, this my life, why should I give a care? I was born at night, but in the day I appeared. Yeah. Rage nigga. Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, can't come, big man, yeah. I wonder how many people know a nigga's broke as me. Go to the Ville every day, cop a quarter of green. Sell a band every day to support my needs. My clan is in the way while they talking to me. Come on, man, this Jay, he ain't talking to me. No harsh words my way, he don't want no beef. I play hard, so let's play. I'll put you on your knees, clip you from your shin bone to your ankle. You might need your feet. I'm coming at a different ankle, but you still between my teeth. Wrap him up in the scarf to preserve his meat. I go hard, he a nerd or a geek, or Romeo retard, a bit sweet meat. I'm destined to be a star, I never to taste defeat. These lessons, they might be hard, but so is the concrete. So try dribbling this ball, put it between your feet. See if you can go hard and play on these streets. The circle that you apart don't have room for the weak. Should've been a basketball star, now we just pretty and sweet. I guess I'm laughing at y'all, King Kong's teeth. That's probably cause y'all was who I never saw when I was young and went to the beach. Now y'all want me to be back stuck between the white man's teeth, acting like I can give y'all some bucks, but y'all don't care about me. Man, I don't give a fuck, I'm ready to die in these streets. My life was suicide, God fucking with me. I told him I was tired, he said that was for the weak. He said attack your own empire and I put the wind at your feet. Tell the devil he a lie and I'll make you into a priest and you'll be able to walk in the fire as long as you're walking towards the east. Yeah.